morning and welcome. You're watching the CommexFX Daily Outlook for Tuesday, February 3rd. The euro rose 0.24% against the US dollar and closed at 1.1337. In economic news, Germany's final market manufacturing PMI unexpectedly recorded a drop to 50.9 in January. Meanwhile, the Eurozone's market manufacturing PMI data remained steady at a level of 51.0 in January. Separately, the ECB Governing Council member Ewald Nowotny stated that the ECB has strong weapons against inflation, but not much against deflation. Furthermore, he also indicated that the policymakers expect consumer prices in the region to remain very low in 2015, with a headline inflation projected to rise 0.8%. The pair is expected to find support at 1.1293, and the fall through could take it to the next support level of 1.1257. The pair is expected to find first resistance at 1.1364, and the rise through could take it to the next resistance level of 1.1399. The British pound fell 0.35% against the US dollar and closed at 1.5032. The UK market manufacturing PMI climbed more than expected to a level of 53.0 in January, against market expectations for a rise to 52.7. The pair is expected to find support at 1.4990, and the fall through could take it to the next support level of 1.4956. The pair is expected to find first resistance at 1.5074, and the rise through could take it to the next resistance level of 1.5124. Trading trends in the pound today are expected to be determined by the UK's construction PMI data, set for release in a few hours. The US dollar strengthened 0.47% against the Japanese yen and closed at 117.65. Yesterday, the Bank of Japan Governor Haruhiko Kuroda opened that the current weakening in the yen was not impacting the Japanese economy badly. Earlier today, data showed that Japan's monetary base rose 37.4% on a YoY basis in January. The pair is expected to find support at 116.74, and the fall through could take it to the next support level of 116.44. The pair is expected to find first resistance at 117.59, and the rise through could take it to the next resistance level of 118.16. Going forward, investors await Japan Services PMI data along with the Bank of Japan Deputy Governor Kiko Iwata's speech, scheduled for tomorrow. The Australian dollar strengthened 0.32% against the US dollar to close at 0.7800. The Reserve Bank of Australia Governor Glenn Stevens, in his statement accompanying the interest rate decision, mentioned that the rates were trimmed because of the nation's soft economic growth, weak inflation, and the elevated value of the Aussie. Early morning data showed that Australia's trade deficit narrowed more than expected to 436 million Australian dollars in December, against market expectations to fall to 850 million Australian dollars. The pair is expected to find support at 0.7601, and the fall through could take it to the next support level of 0.7534. The pair is expected to find first resistance at 0.7785, and the rise through could take it to the next resistance level of 0.7902. The gold price is traded lower by 0.42% against the US dollar at $1275.10 per ounce, amid a strong rally in the global equity markets. Separately, gold holdings in the SPDR Gold Trust remained unchanged at 758.37 tons. The pair is expected to find support at 1266.53, and the fall through could take it to the next support level of 1258.36. The pair is expected to find first resistance at 1282.83, and the rise through could take it to the next resistance level of 1290.96. CommexFX is now offering a new application. Download the brand new CommexFX TradeMate app right now and receive daily market predictions, suggested market directions to trade on, highlighted best trading options, and more, covering a wide range of markets, including energy, metals, indices, and forex, among others. Trade easily, check successfully. For more information on CommexFX TradeMate app, kindly visit our main website www.commexfx.com. Stay in the know by liking us on Facebook, following us on Twitter and Instagram, circling us on Google+, and of course, subscribing to our YouTube and CommexFX TV channel. Have a great trading day!